What's going on? It's your boy Santana with ElevatedWithin.com coming to you with another Shopify video. So today, guys, we're going to talk about 5 must-have apps that you need to have on your Shopify store. So let's go ahead and jump straight into my money-making machine so I can show you guys these 5 top apps. Here we are inside of my money-making machine where I'm getting ready to show you guys the top Shopify apps every store owner needs. It's like the wheels to a car, they're a must. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Some of these apps are paid, some of the apps are free. You decide which ones you need. These are all the apps that I recommend every store owner should have. So the first one that I want to show you guys is Shopify. If you saw my video on how to improve your actual store conversions, you know that I spoke heavily on scarcity, creating that urgency to make someone who want to buy as soon as they land on that actual product page. And that's what Shopify does. It creates that urgency to make someone take action. It's currently $6.99 to get a free 2-day trial. If you're into coding, drop a comment below and I'll go ahead and create a video of a code that you can drop into your Shopify store that gives you this countdown timer for free. So definitely drop a comment if you're interested in that. The next app that I want to show you guys is SalesPop, one of my favorite apps simply because it creates social proof. And once again, I spoke heavily about this in the conversions and improving your conversions video, so definitely check it out. SalesPop simply creates social proof, and what that signifies is that it shows you someone bought your actual product. So as a customer coming to your store, I'm looking at your products and I see a notification that people are buying. It's showing me, 1, that your store has traffic, 2, that people trust your store because they're buying. So it's gonna give me that peace of mind knowing that I feel safe when I buy in your actual store. So this definitely helps and improves conversion. Definitely go ahead and check them out. It's a completely free app, so please install it. All right, the next one that I want to show you guys is the free shipping bar. Once again, this is another free app that just can easily create conversions if you play around with it and know how to use it. So the free shipping bar, it's automatically updated and it allows you to put, let's say, use the example here, free shipping for orders over $100. So the way this works is, let's say I go to your store and I add a product to my cart for $10. As soon as I add that product to my cart, this shipping bar is going to update and say only $90 away from free shipping. And once you've hit that mark, it automatically updates to say, congratulations, you've got free shipping. So what this bar actually does is that it just entices your customer to hit a kind of milestone, hit a goal. So if they only added 1 product, they may need to add 2 or 3 more products to be able to hit that free shipping. And if they do, you just simply increase the actual order size of that actual customer and what that customer is actually worth. So definitely go ahead and get this added on here. If you want, I have a few tactics that I can show you guys on how to use the free shipping bar, especially when you're doing drop shipping. So if you want to see a video about that, definitely drop a comment below. The next app that I want to show you guys is the MailChimp app. You definitely got to have something in place for email marketing. It's so crucial. Even though, email marketing is still hot, we are moving into a chat world. So I'll definitely make a video about ManyChat if you haven't heard about it. It's kind of, it's pretty amazing. But I'll leave that for another video. So MailChimp is completely free for the first 2,000 actual subscribers. So definitely go ahead and get this added on here. You're able to create powerful automations, targeted emails, campaigns, even abandoned carts you're able to create in here. All simply, it's a very easy interface. Now there's other mail marketing tools that you can actually use, like Klaviyo, that are a little bit more robust. They do cost, but as you grow your actual store, if you have MailChimp is great. There's a lot of customers that I have that use MailChimp and they have all their templates set up and they don't want to move over to another platform. So that's perfectly fine, but definitely have something in place for your email marketing. The next app that I want to show you guys is Abandonment Protector Plus. And what this app simply does is beautiful, because we all live in a busy life and things happen. So let's say, for example, your customer's on your store, they select the product, they put in their information, they're shipping in, they're putting their payment in, and something happens. The phone rings, somebody comes to the door, the dog pees on the floor, and they leave. They forget about it, and now they never actually hit purchase. So what Abandonment Protector Plus does is it sends them a follow-up email. You can actually set it as an automation of flows, like for 1 hour, for 6 hours, for 3 hours, for 24 hours, to follow up with them and say, hey Anthony, I see that you added this water bottle to your cart but never actually checked out. Here, we saved your cart for you, and here's a 10% discount to make your buying experience just that much better. And what that's going to do is going to bring back those people that actually wanted to buy to actually buy when it's more convenient for them. So definitely take a look at this. There's plenty of abandoned cart applications out there. This is one that I fairly use, and I use for my clients as well. So definitely check it out, and you get a free 21-day free trial. So why not give it a try? Alright, so the next app that I want to show you guys is the Frequently Bought Together app. I freaking love this app, simply because I shop heavily on Amazon. So when I'm on Amazon and I'm looking for a product or an item, most of the time, if I'm looking for a cell phone case, most of the time it's going to say, hey, some people that have bought this cell phone case have also bought this screen protector and this charger. Just makes it a convenient, very easy buying experience, and that's simply what Frequently Bought Together does. It's well worth the price, and you get a free 14-day free trial. So let's take a look at a few screenshots here. This is simply how it looks. Frequently Bought Together. So you'll show the first product, and then the second product that you want to put in your upsell, the third product, the fourth product. It's just a beautiful thing that you're able to have that Amazon experience. And for them, when somebody is familiar with what they're actually looking at, they're more likely to buy. And since everybody buys on Amazon, it's something that's familiar to them. So it's not going to feel spammy. It's not going to feel salesy. It's just going to allow you to pair products that work together for your customers. So definitely check this out. It's a must. Alright, so the next app that I want to show you guys is Zipify. Okay, Zipify is a one-click upsell post-purchase. Okay, so it's post-purchase. So the way it works is, let's say I add this water bottle to the cart, and I go ahead and buy. And after I buy the water bottle, the cash has already been sent to you. You go ahead and show me and say, hey, I see that you bought this water bottle. Why not get this water bottle holder? And it's like, I'm like, oh, okay, cool. I want to hit buy. As soon as they hit buy, or yes, they want it, their card is automatically charged. They don't need to put in their shipping information again. They don't need to, put in their credit card. It's a one-click upsell. This is a very crucial app. It's a little pricey, but it's so worth it. Really, really check it out. I think it's, I don't even know what the web address is. Let me see. Alright, so it's zipify.com/apps. Go ahead and check it out. Take a look at all the information. I can definitely tell you that this is well worth your app, especially if you're getting a lot of traffic to your store, you're getting people that are buying, and you definitely want to increase every single sale of that customer. Definitely take a look at this upsell. It's one of the best upsell apps out there. I know you have bold product upsell, but none of them offer a post-purchase upsell, which that's so crucial. Post-purchase. Okay, so definitely check this app out. That is going to be all of the apps that I have for you guys. Definitely look at them in more details. Once again, comment below if you want me to do an even more in detailed review on any of the apps you've seen today. If you haven't already, I have a free Shopify course. That's going to show you the foundation. It's going to show you how to get your store set up, how to find hot selling products, and how to begin to actually advertise and market those products so you can start generating sales. So go ahead and take a look at that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys tomorrow. See you in the next video.